Hello, how are you everybody? Today we are going to learn about direct variation. Direct variation done by Mr. Ahmed Hussein. Our new vocabulary are the constant of variation, which is the number by which x and y are related, and the direct variation when y equal mx and m doesn't equal 0. The first example, tell whether the equation represents direct variation. If so, identify the constant of variation. A 2x minus 3y is 0. To tell so, we need to solve the given equation for y. In different words, we need to write y as a subject. If we got the formula y equal mx, not plus, not minus, anything, so it represents a direct variation. Let's go ahead and solve the first equation that we have, 2x minus 3y is 0. To solve it, we need to subtract 2x from the both sides. Then negative 3y equal negative 2x. And then we'll divide by negative 3 to solve for y as subject. Then y equal 2/3 x. Y equal 2/3 x written as a direct variation form. So y equal mx, then m here is 2/3, and yes, it represents a direct variation. The second problem, negative x plus y equal 4. Solve for y by adding x to the both sides, then y equal x plus 4. Y equal x plus 4, it's not y equal mx, not written in the formula of y equal mx. That's why it doesn't represent a direct variation. More examples, negative x plus y equal 1. Solve it for y by adding x to the both sides, then y equal x plus 1. It doesn't represent a direct variation because it's not written as y equal mx. The second example, by subtracting 2x from the both sides, we will get y equal negative 2x. And yes, it represents the direct variation because it's written as y equal mx, and the constant of variation, or m, is negative 2. Example 3, we will solve it for y, then negative 5y equal negative 4x, and y equal 4/5 x. So yes, it does very directly. So the constant of variation is 4/5. Graph the direct variation equation. Y equal 2/3 x. We know that direct variations graphed as a straight line that passes through point 0, 0. So we have one point. We just need to generate another point to connect between the origin point and the new point to get the line. So from 0, 0, we will rise 2 units to up because it's positive 2, and we will run 3 units to right because it's positive 3. 2 units to above and 3 units to right to achieve the point 3, 2. By connecting 3, 2 to 0, 0, we will have the straight line. Okay, this is if the direct variation constant is a fraction. But in the second example, it's not a fraction. It's just a number. Yes, but this number can be written as negative 3 over 1 as well. So we will rise down negative 3 or 3 units to the down direction because it's negative, and we will run right 1. So 3 to the down because it's negative, and right 1 to achieve point 1, negative 3. By connecting point 1, negative 3 to point 0, 0, we got the direct variation. The graph of a direct variation equation is shown. Write the direct variation equation. Okay. We have learned that the direct variation equation y equal mx. So if y here is 2 and x is -1, then 2 equal m -1. By writing m as a subject, we will divide by -1 on both sides, then m is -2. Return back the value of m and insert it in y equal mx to find that y equal -2x. So we just achieved the first requirement. B, find the value of y when x is 30. So we'll use the equation that we just generated to replace x with 30. Then y equal -2x or y equal -230. So the value of y is -60. Graph the direct variation equation. So m here is 2, and 2 means 2 over 1. So from 0, 0, we will rise 2 units to the above and 1 unit to right to achieve point 1, 2, and then connect the line between point 1, 2 and point 0, 0. Guided practice. The graph of a direct variation on equation passes through the point 4, 6. Write a direct variation equation and find the value of y when x is 24. The given point for 6 represents x and y. So x here is 4 and y is 6. If we wrote the formula that y equal mx, then 6 can be substituted by y. Sorry, y can be substituted by 6 and x can be substituted by 4 to find the value of m. Then divide both sides by 4 to find the value of m. So m is 6/4 or 3/2. Insert it back to the y equal mx to find that y equal 3/2 x. Then replace x with 24 to find the value of y. So y equal 3/2 times 24 or y equal 36. Here we have a relationship between two requirements. Let's represent tablespoons with S and the water with W. So S equal MW, like Y equal MX. Okay, but S here was 100 and W was 20. So by dividing 20 by the both sides, we got the value of M, which is 5. So S equal 5W. If W is 30, what is the value of the spoon? It's 5 times 30, which is 100 tablespoons of are needed. Online music. The table shows the cost C of downloading S songs at an internet music site. Explain why C varies directly with S. C varies directly with S because if I divide all the values of C in dollars by the corresponding values of songs on the number of songs. So we will divide 2.97 by 3 and 4.95 by 5, 6.93 by 7 to find a constant ratio or 0.99. So it's always the same number. Because the ratio, all the ratios are equals 0.99 after we simplify it, then C varies directly with S. And the direct variation equation is C equals 0.99 S. Thank you for listening and have a good day ahead. Goodbye.